Have you ever wondered what would happen if the moon crashed into Earth? It's a scary thought but an interesting topic to explore. In this video, we'll take a look at the possible consequences and aftermaths of such an unlikely event. We'll start by discussing the importance of the moon and its relationship with Earth. Then, we'll delve into the theoretical scenarios of a collision between the two celestial bodies. We'll examine the impact, the debris, the gravitational effects, and the ultimate consequences on life here on our planet. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore the fascinating question of what would happen if the moon crashed into Earth. 5 keywords: Moon, Earth, collision, consequences, catastrophe. The importance of the moon. Before we dive into the what-ifs, let's first consider the moon's significance to Earth. The gravitational pull of the moon on our planet creates ocean tides, which have an impact on our environment and ecosystems. The moon also stabilizes Earth's axial tilt, which plays a role in our seasons. Additionally, the moon reflects sunlight and provides a source of light during the night, regulating our sleep. Without the moon, our planet would be a vastly different place. Theoretical scenarios. Now, let's imagine a catastrophic collision between the moon and Earth. The first impact would create a massive crater, with a shock wave felt across the globe. The debris and dust ejected from the crater would block sunlight, leading to a dark, cold, and lifeless planet. The debris would rain down on Earth, causing massive wildfires and wreaking havoc on our environment. The gravitational pull of the moon on our planet is also significant. Without it, Earth's tilt could change, causing major climate changes and weather patterns. The loss of the moon's gravitational pull could also affect our planet's rotation, leading to shorter days and unstable seasons. Consequences. Life on Earth would be threatened by this catastrophic event. The loss of sunlight would have a severe impact on photosynthesis, which is essential for all life on the planet. With the loss of plant life, the food chain would be disrupted, leading to massive extinctions. The impact would also cause massive tsunamis, wiping out coastal cities and devastating populations. It would be one of the most significant natural disasters in modern history. Aftermath and recovery. If, by some miracle, life on Earth survived such a catastrophe, the aftermath would be dire. The debris and dust would take thousands of years to clear, making agriculture and plant growth difficult. The climate would be unstable for hundreds of years, leading to difficult living conditions. The loss of the moon's gravitational pull would also make space travel more challenging and complicated. Thank you for watching.